Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, Miss.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Before we start our lessons today, let's say basmalah first so that today's lesson is useful.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay. In the previous meeting, we have finished learned about what? In the previous meeting?
Narrative text.
No.
Recount.
Descriptive
Descriptive.
text. Okay. Now today we are going to learn about recall text. Here are learning objective. So after you studying this lesson, you will be able to first identify the social function of recon text, and then the second, recognize the text structure, orientation, events, and reorientation, and then find the language features such as past tense and time connective. Do you know what is recon text, guys?
No, Miss.
In junior high school, do you learn about recon text? Lupa. Mbak Nanda, please read the text.
Recount text is a text that tells about past experiences or events. The purpose is to share stories, to give information, or to entertain the reader. For example, our holiday, or school event, or even about events that happened last week, so that others can learn from or enjoy our story.
Okay, good job, Mbak Nanda. So, recon text is a text that retells past experience in order or event. Jadi, recon text adalah teks yang menceritakan kembali pengalaman yang sudah terjadi di masa lalu. Okay, the next is the generic structure. The structure of recon text usually consists of the first is
Orientation,
and then the second,
event,
and then the third,
reorientation.
Layla. Oh my god. Is it? Can you read the orientation first?
Orientation is the beginning of the story. It introduces info where it happened and when it happened. Example, last month our school held an English competition in the school hall.
Okay, good job. So, orientation is the beginning of the story. It introduces who was involved, where it happened, and when it happened. Jadi, orientation itu adalah bagian pembuka. Biasanya berisi siapa yang terlibat dalam cerita tersebut, di mana kejadian itu terjadi, dan kapan kejadian itu terjadi. And the second is event. Event is the main part. It tells the sequence of event in order. So, event is the bagian utama. Jadi itu adalah bercerita urutan-urutan kejadiannya. And then the last is reorientation. Mbak Majin, can you read?
Orientation is the ending. It gives a conclusion, personal comment, or feeling. And for the example, I felt proud when my name was announced. The example is I felt proud when my name was announced as the second place winner. It was one of the best experience in my life.
Okay, good. So, reorientation is the ending. Biasanya di bagian penutup ini bisa diisi dengan personal comment or perasaan penulis di akhir cerita. Oke? Ada yang perlu ditanyakan? The next is language feature in the context. The first is use simple past tense. Kenapa di konteks harus pakai simple past tense?
Because it describes about past event.
Okay, good. So, Kenapa harus pakai simple past tense? Karena di konteks adalah cerita yang telah terjadi di masa lampau. Jadi kita menggunakan verb berapa? Verb verb 2. Okay. The next is use action verbs to show the activity. For example, visit it, watch it, join it, share it, etc. And then use time connective or sequence connectors. Kenapa harus pakai time connective? Agar
In order.
betul, agar ceritanya itu berurutan. And then use adverb of time and place. Give a detail about when and where. For example, yesterday, last week, last month, on the competition, and etc. And then the last is personal pronouns, because recon are often personal. Jadi biasanya recon text itu adalah cerita tentang pengalaman pribadi. Jadi pakai personal pronouns. Okay, let's move on the worksheet activity. You will have 10 minutes to finish it. Then we will discuss it together.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss it together. What is the text about?
English competition.
Yes, English competition. Good. It tells about the writer experiences joining an English competition. So, what kind of this text?
Become
Text. Okay, because the context tell us about past experiences or events that already happened. And then now let's identify the generic structure of the text. Who can tell me what the first paragraph about? First paragraph is orientation. Yes, the first paragraph is orientation. It tells when and where the event happened and who was involved. And then how about the second paragraph? Events, good. The second paragraph tells about event, what happened during the competition. And then the last paragraph?
Reorientation.
Okay, good. Yes, that is the orientation where the writer share the result or their feelings about experiences. And then, apa sebetulnya? Now let's move on the language feature. What tense is mostly used in the recon text? Okay, good, Mbak Mandi. Simple past tense, good job. And then, can you mention some past tense from the text? Okay.
When I finish
Crowded from paragraph 1.
include
Help, okay. Included, okay. Decided, okay. Good. Practice it,
Yeah.
okay. Guided,
Guided.
okay. And then the second,
Listen.
okay.
Spoke. Finish. Nouns. Etc. And so on.
Okay. And then the last, noun, call, congratulated, can you find any time connective in this text? Time connective?
last month.
Yes, last month.
Every afternoon.
Yes. When? And? Yes, good. That's how beautiful. So,
You make me dirty.
Everyone, that's all for today. And then for homework, please write your own short recall text and then submit the next video. Okay? That's all for me. Thank you for your attention and thank you for joining my class today. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi